In the booming solar industry, efficiency is crucial to your company's success. Whether you install solar panels, inspect and repair large arrays, or survey land for solar farm prospecting, drone photos, maps, and 3D models can improve productivity and accelerate design cycles. Aeronyde uses the latest drone technology in aerial mapping, thermal imaging, digital terrain modeling, and automated roof measurement to give you a rich set of data to streamline your workflows and generate real-time insights. High-resolution drone maps far surpass imagery gathered by satellite or manned aircraft in accuracy, accessibility, and cost. With results like these, it's no surprise that builders, inspectors, and surveyors are all turning to drones and Aeronyde's full-service solutions. So what are you waiting for? Here are 4 ways we can begin putting drones to work in your solar industry today. In the competitive world of solar farm prospecting, it's challenging to generate purchase bids quickly. Developers require up-to-date topographical information and are typically left with 2 options: rely on outdated public records, or conduct expensive new land surveys which can take weeks on end, often in inhospitable terrain. Drones allow surveyors to gather real-time, highly accurate contour maps and digital terrain models 10 times faster and at a quarter of the cost. The result? Faster turnaround times and a leg up on your competition. When it comes to designing the layout for a utility-scale solar farm, the possible configurations are virtually limitless. Engineers who integrate drone data with thousands of solar farm layouts can compare energy production estimates for each one, reducing the design cycle by up to 70%. The same principles apply to roof designs, which studies show can triple a company's field productivity and boost cost savings by a staggering 5x. Solar panels often overheat, go offline, or require maintenance due to excess dust, scratches, or mechanical deficiencies. Demographers have been using handheld thermal cameras to inspect PV panels for decades, an antiquated process that can take days or even weeks to inspect large solar farms from the ground. Drones spot heat anomalies from the sky in minutes to help teams pinpoint problem areas and fast-track repairs. Aeronyde helps you to generate thermal maps in real time and quickly detect broken photocells faster than ever before. These maps eliminate hours from the inspection workflow, transforming a commonly resource-draining process and making it easier to keep solar panels running at peak efficiency. Headquartered out of sunny Melbourne, Florida, Aeronyde is a full-service drone company and the nation's only FAA LAANC approved provider of commercial and residential PV panel inspections. We provide the drones, the pilots, and the permitting so you can focus on what matters most, your customers. Call, click, or come in to find out how Aeronyde can help you save thousands on solar services today.